Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey and is still here, manners and respect. Now, I just want to say thank you for making it with us all the way to 12 days of Jammas. Today is day 14 of December, but we had a little glitch, but nevertheless, we tried to, to do it. Last year, we did 12 days of Jammas. For the very first 12 days in December, we uploaded 2 videos per day, and we never itch. But things happen, life happens, and we had a little glitch, so that's why we weren't finished on day 12. But nevertheless, we are here. So this is our very last video. And as always, I always say to you, a little info. Not all the time, the kitchen or having a cooking channel is not all about to cook and to bake and to be at all times doing practical things. The theoretical part of it plays a big role. So I did not get to drop in any of these like little, information videos. But I think I'll do it because even though it's the last 12 day, it's the last day, 12 days of Jammas. And some people might want to ask, what's 12 days of Jammas? It is something that I implemented for my channel, that as long as I'm doing this channel, whenever it comes to December, I'll be uploading 12 for the very first day in 12 days in December. We'll be uploading every single day. Okay? And most of it would be like Jamaican recipes. So I want to thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for clicking onto the videos. Thank you for the new people that are right on over here. And so we did make it. So this is the last. So what I have for you today on the last one is really simple, but I think it will be a little informative to some people. I'm gonna be sharing with you today to make how you can make yourself some fresh homemade breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs this time of the year, we use it a lot due to this whole black cake something. You put it in the black cake. What it does, it helps for decent, clean slicing at the end of the cake when it is properly cured. However, when you blend your fruits out, blend it out to nothing, the breadcrumbs doesn't work for it that time. The breadcrumbs aid in the slicing, clean slice in the finished product when your fruits are firm and whole. But when you blend it out and when the fruits and the breadcrumbs come to be the same consistency, it doesn't necessarily work. That's what the breadcrumbs does. It not give no body nor nothing at all in the mixture. It just binds, enabling it to have a cleaner slice. That's what I know. Sometimes we are baker, if you're a young baker, for me too, I always have left the breadcrumbs when we go to the supermarket. But if you got white hard dough bread, you can easily well get 2 slices with the backing on, because some people tend to want to leave out this part. But this part here gives a color to the breadcrumbs. So you want to go now and you want to get, and my hands are clean, and family, it's my kitchen, it's my bread. Do you? It's your kitchen, it's your bread when you'll be doing yours. If you want to use a tongue, use a tongue. Whatever you want to use it, okay? So you want to get 2 slices of this bread with the backing on, and you want to toast them till they have a color like this. Leave them to be properly cooled. If you've got your food processor, you want to put your multi-purpose blade in, and then we are going to proceed to break them in small pieces. Okay, I'm going to be doing this, and I'll soon come back to you. So you want to break your breadcrumbs and distribute it evenly in your food processor. If you have something with a grinder, you could choose to use that also. Okay? You make sure it's tightly fitted, and you want to just start on high by crumbling these until they are really fine. You will want to do this for about 1 minute straight or a minute and a half. So we are going to go for a minute and a half or probably 2. And we soon come back on the eye. We soon come. Okay, now family, 1.5 minutes I would think. Okay, I think 2 would be too much. So look at us here. This is what we have. Depending on your food processor, you might get big lumps coming up in here. It don't matter. You just can just remove it. So this is what I have right here. And as I said, depending on your processor, you will have a few lumps in there. Now, this is one that I bought at the store. This is one, and it has a lot of stuff, and this is my homemade. Okay? Now, you might want your breadcrumbs a little more finer, depending on what you're doing. We use a lot of breadcrumbs, so sometimes we're doing custard. So all you have to do, and look at me here. This is it. And remember, let your breadcrumbs, let your toasted bread be properly cooled. Look at me here. This is fresh. This is without preservatives. It is without additives. This one here, it says a whole crocus bag of something in it. But you know, from time to time, but I'm saying, in case you don't remember your breadcrumbs, just do a little breadcrumbs. Once you don't use sandwich bread, it's not going to take you there. Okay? And if you want to mix it with a little whole wheat bread, you could probably do it too. So I'm simply saying to you, if you want to get it more refined, you know what you have to do. You just take it through your sieve and do what you want to do. Because sometimes I prefer it, put it in the cake like this. It is more refined. Look at this. Okay? So you see, I am just at the stage as the one that is packaged. So if you don't remember your breadcrumbs, this is what I have for you on the 12 days of Jammas. It is not something for me to present to the dinner table. It is just something to share with you. So if you don't remember the breadcrumbs, something you live how far from the store, and you have hard-dough bread, you just do it like that. If you don't get the whole knock of it, try it and make sure you do it before. Don't wait until you're ready and then you don't get it good. Do it, and you can store this. You don't have to put anything clean, especially whether plastic or glass jar. Dry, clean jar, and you store it in your refrigerator. Remember, there is nothing to preserve this, so you've got to store it in your refrigerator. This is what I have for you today. This is where the book stops, right here on the Jamaican Cooking Journey 12 Days of Jammas 2019. And can I say something to you? Happy baking, happy cooking, happy eating, happy entertaining. Whatever you bake, be proud of yourself. Do not knock up yourself when your Christmas cake or your black cake or your banana bread or your pudding, your plum pudding, whatever. Don't knock yourself up, especially with the black cake. The ingredients are very expensive. Don't knock yourself up. Be prepared to enjoy you and your family. If it's a dumpling, it come out live. If it's a toto, if it is a bulla, be prepared to enjoy what you bake. As long as it's properly baked and it can be eaten, but there's nothing should be wrong because you put all eatable stuff in there. Just enjoy it and work on it. Do not knock yourself up, and all you have to do not share it with any chatty mouth people, because you know what they're gonna do. But you and your family and family members, embrace mommy, embrace daddy, embrace big sister, whoever bakes for the first and it don't turn out good. Do not knock yourself. Don't throw out your stuff. Eat it and enjoy what you do. There is always another day. There's always another time for you to grow. I never gone to school go learn to bake. I taught myself it. Okay? So thanks for the love. Thanks for clicking on the videos 12 Days of Jammas. And for all my other videos. We're not going away, you know. We'll be still uploading. It's just that we might not upload every day for the rest of December. But we'll be coming to you with videos that you would not even be expecting. We'll be coming to you. We're switching gears around. with the Jamaican black cake. We are going to be twisting. We are going to be turning, giving you different recipe in the Jamaican black cake era. Showing you other stuff for people in the black cake can bake something. Because not everybody wants black cake at Christmas time. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Look at me here. Homemade breadcrumbs. Just as the pre-packed breadcrumbs. Don't worry yourself if you never have none. Just do your thing at home. Debbie from down a yard. Bless. No stress.